I got a special guest here today, someone that you guys might recognize. Brought along Brian from Bkxc.
I'm gonna survive. I'm not gonna die.
In today's video, I have one goal, and that's to help Brian from Bkxc survive Flying Monkey. Flying Monkey is listed as a pro line on trail forks because of its extreme exposure and its chunky technical descents. To help him get warmed up, I took him on one of my favorite local trails, Grafton, Mesa. Right from the get-go, Grafton Mesa puts you in some really janky situations, from its technical downhill features to some other really crazy features like this tree.
Such a wheel. Yeah. On the other side.
This section of the trail features this rocky spine that's the perfect introduction to show what's to come on Flying Monkey. The final mile of Grafton Mesa has some of the best views in the state. Try not to get too distracted though, since you will be coming down one of the most rowdy sections of the trail. Bkxc descended Grafton like a boss. After today, he may need to change his name to BKDH, Brian Kennedy Downhill. He was ready for Flying Monkey. Today was such an amazing day. At the start, Brian was nervous about riding Flying Monkey, and he was worried about his survival. At this point in the trail though, every feature he encountered it and was able to ride it like a pro. He found the flow in the janky descent, and it was nothing but fist bumps from there. Well, that wraps up Flying Monkey. All that's left to do is celebrate with a post-ride burrito. I want to give a huge thank you to Brian for reaching out and letting me show him around my local trails. This dude is just as genuine in person as he is in his videos. Good luck to you, Brian, this year as you attempt to ride all 50 states in 1 year. And thanks for letting me help you check Utah off the list.